right. Old paths we used to tread, where dreams were made and lost. But from the ashes rise new roads we will cross. The winds of change are blowing, guiding us anew. With every step we're growing, finding what's true. Oh, 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 oh. Lord, we see the light. Oh, 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 oh. Lord, shining so bright. Always open new doors to places we've never been before. Through the echoes of the past, lessons come to stay, leading us to the future in a brand new way. With courage in our hearts and hope within our sight, we'll break the chains and fold and step into the light. The winds of change are blowing, guiding us anew. With every step we're growing, finding what's true. Oh, 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 Lord, we see the light. Oh, 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 Lord, we see the light. Every end is a beginning, a chance to start again. With every dawn we find a way to mend the stories that we write, the paths that we explore, with always opening new doors. Oh, 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 Lord, we see